Hello everybody, I just got out of my parents' place. I went to go pick up some packages because I still have packages that are being shipped over there. I don't trust apartment buildings when it comes to your packages. Hopefully you guys don't fall. I'm filming with the new camera and I'm not in the mood for it to fall. Oh, okay, never mind. All right, so we're back in action. I picked up an Amazon package and I think I got, Jesus Christ. Oui, allô?
Oui, bonjour Darcia.
Oui?
C'est Dr. Suzanne, comment ça va?
Hey guys, alright, so we are currently back home in my beauty closet. I don't know what to call this room. You guys see every day, I'm like, every vlog, I'm like, I don't know what to call this room. I'm currently exporting a vlog, which is like a kind of like a 2021 prep vlog where I'm just like putting in makeup in my Alex drawers and I'm cleaning up around the house and like just handling things before the new year starts. And yeah, so I got some packages at my parents' house. I was on a phone call with my doctor while I was vlogging, so I had to turn off the camera. But I got these are the Comptoir du Sud Pacifique, or just Comptoir Sud Pacifique Paris travel duo spray, and the retail value is $66. So if you buy these separately, they're $66. But for Christmas they came out with this set that was like $33, and then it was on sale for $24, and then you had 20% off. And because I'm a VIB Rouge at Sephora, I had free shipping. So I bought these are like two minis. I have a mini of my favorite one, which is the vanilla apricot one, which I love. So this is going in my bag. This is like my favorite one. They're not that big, but the scent is so potent and so like strong that I don't need that many sprays, and I don't have anywhere to go. I won't be using this that much because I don't go out for dinners. There's nowhere. We're in lockdown. We're back in lockdown. We're back in quarantine, and we will have a curfew starting Saturday, and we are Wednesday. We're gonna have a curfew, so we won't be allowed to be out in the streets for between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m. We're not allowed to be in the streets. Anyways, it was a good price. It was like in total like $10 or $11 each. So I don't know. And then it came with the vanilla cocoa one, which I think I'm gonna keep in my actual perfume collection. If you guys want a perfume collection, I love how this one smells. Oh, I like the mister. It's really like a nice soft mist. I like this. This is actually going to go in my actual perfume collection, because maybe once I run out of this one, then I'll put this one in my bag. But for now, this is just a new scent, vanilla cocoa, which is vanilla coconut. I like the vanilla apricot one more. This one, guys, I'm obsessed with perfume, so if you guys want me to do a perfume collection video, I will do that for you guys. I bought some Ariana Grande perfumes that everyone have been talking about. I really want the Baccarat Rouge, but Baccarat Rouge is like, I don't feel like any perfume is worth that type of money, especially Canadian dollars. So yeah, there's that. Apparently Cloud by Ariana Grande smells similar to Baccarat Rouge, so I ordered that. I bought one of Jackie Aina's suggestions because she came out with like a new Instagram page, because Jackie is like bougie goals, right? She's like she's bougie, but not like she makes no sense bougie. Like it's a good type of bougie. So I took one of her suggestions, the Philosophy one, a perfume. Anyways, I bought that too. Oh my god, I bought so many perfumes. I don't need any of them. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere, but it's my new obsession, and I've been watching so many perfume collection videos. So when I get these, let me know down below if you guys want a perfume collection video, because I go through phases. I go through like sneaker phases where like I'm buying only sneakers. I go through makeup phases where I'm buying only makeup. I went through like a whole home decor phase when we moved, where that's the only thing I was buying. Yes, boo, ouch. And then I just have phases. So right now I'm in my fragrance phase. Go play with something. So yeah, ouch. Okay, that was unnecessary. So now I have two more packages. I have this one. I think I got this from this isn't like PR. It's stuff that I bought. I've been wanting to try new ways of like applying my wigs. You guys know in my last hair video I tried out the Aussie Freeze Spray, which I like. It melts the lace really well. Does it last as long as the Got to Be? No, I feel like the Got to Be like literally sews your wig to your scalp. So I got this. I accidentally bought it twice. I bought it on Amazon and I bought it on Walmart, so I'll have to depending on how much I like it, I might give away the second one, because I want to host a giveaway soon to thank you guys for 2020 for being the best followers ever. It's the, what is it, ORS olive oil fix it liquid fix spritz gel. And I bought the other one. There's like a spray, there's like other things. I also ordered those, so we'll see. Now I have an Amazon package because you guys know last the vlog that I'm uploading now, I was reorganizing my makeup in my Alex drawers and my bronzers and stuff. Didn't have any space. Bae went to the Asian market to get some like specific groceries, and he went to go put gas in the car. He went to go get me a matcha latte. So yeah, so our friend this week called us, and he literally called us, I feel like he called us for that. He was like, guys, who puts gas in the car, in your car? Because I think he was having like a debate with a girl that he's talking to. And I was like, Jimmy put the gas. Like, I pay for it. He pays for it most of the time, but sometimes I offer to pay. But he's always the one pumping. We're gonna have this car. It's gonna be 2 years we've had this car in May. And I pumped the gas twice. Once in winter and once in summer, and that's because I was alone. Like, I needed to pump gas. I know how to pump gas. It's just he just gets out of the car and pumps gas. I don't know. So yeah, I got these dividers to put. You want to smell? You look interested. To put blushes, bronzers, highlighters. It came with 4. I'm gonna need more dividers. Oh my god. Okay, baby. Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. I feel like it was a great way of storing things. I did put some lip glosses in here. Obviously everything's gonna change spots like around. It's gonna change around. It's upside down. No wonder it's not stacking up properly. Give me a second. Okay, now it makes a lot more sense. So I have tons of like lip products and like lip liners and stuff. So these are all of my lip liners, and I'm just going to put them, I I think flat over here, like so. And then here I will put, is that what I'm gonna do? Should I do that? I think here's gonna be glosses, because your girl has a lot of lip glosses. These are just some that I use, but not like regularly. I'm just trying to like take it easy while I'm pregnant, but after I'll definitely film a video like that, just like cleaning literally everything in like a whole clean with me video. So let me know what are your favorite products. I'm so excited to clean. Anyways, I'm just cleaning the kitchen table. This smells amazing. It has to be the green one, and it's pretty cheap. It always goes on sale for like $2, and I use it. I've been using this since I moved in, and I paid $2 for it when it was on sale. So when it goes back on sale, I think I'm gonna buy like 2 more, because I use it to clean everything. Like, it's a all-purpose cleaner, and I just, oh, it smells amazing. It makes your apartment smell amazing. And I just use a regular rag, and oh, I love so much. Hey guys, so that is the end of today's vlog. I am about to go finish. I uploaded the video, everything went well, but I got copyrighted, so I have to re-upload it. It's gonna be a late upload, but you know, I'm still gonna get it out today. The apartment is spotless. We decided to clean the apartment because tomorrow we're getting new furniture, and we just want to focus on like building the new furniture. We're only getting a new piece for the kitchen. We're replacing the Calyx. This is called Calyx from IKEA, this whole set with the, you can add like baskets and stuff, and we're replacing this for something black, metal black, which is why I added this to the kitchen table as a centerpiece. Whenever I do find like the perfect table runner, I'll get that, but for now I really like how it looks. It's very like simple. I like simple home decor. So we're getting a black shelf unit from IKEA in the mail, and we're getting lights for the nursery also in the mail. But yeah, so we cleaned the whole apartment. This is going in the baby's room, which is why we're changing it. Like this, that was the plan. So tomorrow is going to be a pretty busy day. I also have to go to I have to go back to the hospital to do blood work. I think they found a way for me to do the glucose test without me puking, because I went back, I puked twice that day, and my body doesn't, I can drink it, but my body doesn't hold it. Like, so the minute I put it in my mouth and I drank it, my body wanted to like reject it. So my doctor is like, I doubt you're diabetic, but like we have to do the test. So like, they found another way. Hopefully it works tomorrow. I have to wake up pretty early. And then yeah, I'm wearing some new PJs. I'm wearing some Walmart PJs. Those are the PJs I was talking about in the last vlog. My belly is so big. That's insane. I made dinner. I made a Parmesan pasta, like the quick ones, with some stuffed chicken. And what else? Stuffed chicken. I ordered Rockaberry's cheesecake because I was craving it, and Uber said, hey, we have 20% off for you. So I was like, oh, let me get that cheesecake I wanted. So I got three kinds. I got 3 different kinds of pies, like cheesecake pies at Rockaberry's, because with the 20% off, it was better for me to get 3 than get 2. If I only got 2, I would pay the same price than if I got 3 with the discount. Anyways, yeah. So so I'm just going to close up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. That I can be the one, and now they